Example 9.5, 9.2. Three equal masses of mkg each are fixed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle ABC. Question A. What is the force acting on a mass 2m placed at the centroid O of the triangle? B. What is the force if the mass at the vertex A is doubled? Take AO equal to BO equal to CO, and that is equal to 1 meter. So first we have to take the equilateral triangle. So this is our equilateral triangle. Okay, so vertex A and vertex B and vertex C. Then at all the vertices we are keeping the masses mkg, and this is mkg, and it is also same, that is m, and which is also same, that is equal to m. And there is one more mass is kept at centroid of this equilateral triangle. It is our centroid. Okay, so it is represented by O, and here we kept, that is 2 m of kg mass. Okay, then on this 2 m kg of mass, the force applied by A and B and C, now we have to find. Okay, so then this is 2m mass and this is 1 mass. Between these two masses there is a gravitational force. Okay, force on 2m by A. So that's why this 2m is attracted towards A. It is in the direction. Okay, so then force by the B on 2m, it is like this. Okay, it is directed towards B. And force by the C on 2m, okay, it is directed towards C. Okay, so this is our x-axis and it is our y-axis. Okay, then with x-axis it is making an angle that is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so then write down the forces acting on 2m mass which is at centroid by A, B and C. Okay, so first of all, force on O by A, and that is equal to, according to the gravitational force, that is force is equal to G m1 m2 G m1 m2 by r square. R is the distance. Okay, the distance is also given here, that is AO is equal to BO is equal to CO, and that is equal to 1 meter. A2O, B2O and C2O. Okay, so then it is equal to capital G m1. M1 is here, this one. Okay, the mass which is at A vertex, and mass at O, that is equal to 2m by r square. R is the distance AO, and that is equal to 1. Okay, so then what is the direction of this force? Because the gravitational force is a vector quantity, so it is directed along the y-axis, so that's why to represent that it is j cap. Okay, so like this, force on O by B. Okay, and that is equal to capital G small m which is at B, and 2m at O, that is 2m by, again the distance is 1 square, BO is equal to 1 square, and which is not a direct vector. So direction of this vector we have not a direct vector, so that's why this is we are resolving into two components. It is like this. Okay, but it is moving downward direction, and also negative x-axis it is representing here, it is angle is theta, so along the theta component is cos theta, and along the perpendicular to that is it is sine theta. Okay, and it is representing the direction is j cap, and this is minus I cap, and this is minus j cap. So then it can be written as like this. Okay, so this force is minus I cap cos theta minus j cap sine theta. Okay, so in this case it is the cos theta component, and this is how much, minus I cap, negative x-axis. So then in this component, and this is sine theta, and it is minus j cap. Okay, so then like that, force on O by C, and that is equal to Gm and 2m by 1 square. It is also not a direct vector, so this is also we are resolving into components. So along the theta component is cos theta, and perpendicular to that is sine theta and minus j cap, and here to represent the x-axis it is equal to I cap. So then it can be written as, that is I cap cos theta minus j cap sine theta. Okay, these are the forces are acting on mass 2m kg, which is at centroid. Then the resultant force experienced by the mass 2m, which is at the centroid. Okay, so resultant force on mass 2m by A, B, C, masses at A, B, C, and that is equal to vector sum of the all forces. So resultant force Fr is equal to vector sum of all forces. Okay, then that is equal to Fr is equal to Foa plus Fob plus Foc. Okay, then write down here what is Foa, Ob and Oc, and it is equal to Foa, that is equal to this one. Oa is equal to 2 into g m square. Okay, that is 2g m square j cap. Okay, plus Fob, it is also 2 into g m square, that is 2g m square of, and here this is minus I cos theta minus j cap sine theta. Okay, then plus OC is equal to, this is also 2g m square of I cap cos theta minus j cap sine theta. Okay, in this all the terms 2g m square is common, so just take that common. It is equal to 2g m square is taking common. Then here it is only j cap minus this is I cos theta minus I cos theta, and this is minus j cap sine theta. Okay, then here it is plus I cap cos theta minus j cap sine theta. Okay, so from this it is equal to 2g m square, this is equal to j cap, this is j cap minus I cos theta, both are cancelled, minus I cos theta plus I cos theta, and it is equal to minus j sin theta minus j sin theta, that is equal to minus 2j cap sine theta. It is equal to 2g m square of j cap minus 2j cap sine theta is equal to sine 30. Here the theta is 30. Then it is equal to 2g m square, this is j cap minus 2j cap sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 2 is 1 2 is 2 1 is 2 1 is, so cancel, that is 2gm square j minus j cap, j minus j cap, and which is equal to 0. Okay, this is the first question. That is A. Okay, and B also is given, that is B. If mass, what is the force if the mass at the vertex A is doubled? Now in place of in this mass we are keeping the 2m mass, then remaining is all same. So then it is changing like this. Okay, so mass at vertex A is 2m. In that case, this OA only changing, the B and C by forces by the B and forces by the C, forces by the mass at C and forces by the mass at M at B, which is not changed. Okay, so and also we know that that is I cos theta plus I cos theta means x component both are cancelled each other. Okay, so then write down here, this is force. Okay, the resultant force directly we can write here, that resultant force is equal to FOA. So OA means here in place of m now we are taking the 2m, so that's why this is G into 2m and again another 2m, this 2m and this 2m. Okay, and it is equal to 1 square, and this is j cap, and already we know that that is plus FOB and OB and OC. From this, these two components are cancelled each other. Then there are only components, those are j sin theta and j sin theta. Okay, so means from this 2gm square, it is 2gm square. Okay, so then I cos theta cancelled, then it is equal to minus 2j cap sine theta. Okay, so then it is equal to, this is 1 square means 1, then this is 2 into 2 4, so that is 4g m square j cap, this is equal to minus into plus minus, this is 2g m square of 2j cap sine theta. Theta is equal to 30 degrees, and that is equal to 4g m square j cap minus, this is 2g m square, this is 2j cap into 1 by 2, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and sorry 2 ones are 2 ones, both are cancelled. So here it is we have a, that is equal to 4g m square j cap minus 2g m square j cap. 4g from this we are taking the j cap is common, then from that 4g minus 2g, that is equal to 2g m square, and this is the force on mass 2m which is at the centroid when mass is doubled at vertex A.